Are you machining hardened parts with complex geometries, multiple surfaces and small, frequently changing batches? Then hard turning is worth a closer look, especially when flexibility and lead time matter as much as accuracy. Think of parts like planetary roller screws for humanoid robots, ball screw nuts, parts for bottle making, spindle shafts, punches and dies, neck rings, rollers, gear pump shafts, or pistons for radial and axial motors. Complex geometries, multiple surfaces, hardened materials, completed in a single setup. Hard turning is inherently a flexible manufacturing technology. What Hembrug adds is speed and simplicity, fast reference changes, and straightforward setups, often completed in under 30 minutes. That makes it particularly effective for high-mix, low-volume production. This is where Mikroturn stands apart, not only for its precision, but for its exceptional process, stability, and repeatability, delivering consistent results, part after part. You achieve micron and sub-micron tolerances, excellent roundness, and surface finishes down to raw 0.1 micron, reliably and predictably over time. One machine, one setup, complete parts. That's Mikroturn by Hembrug, hard-turning expertise since 1973.